Hello everyone, I'm Philip, the co-founder of GMA. 9 years ago, I started my business as a business developer for a French company in China. At that time, I discovered internet is the best marketing tools, as I have tried so many other tools like trade fair, cold call, cold visit, and I believe it will be the future because it's so efficient that it's much more efficient than the other things. So after that, I started a marketing agency with my partner, specialized in digital marketing. So far, I've been working with more than 200 brands. China's market moves at fast pace. For example, we promote cosmetics brand in the beginning with Weibo, after I use WeChat, then after literary book, and now we use Douyin also. And all these platforms, they come out and get popular in less than 5 years. So the market changes very fast, and it's not easy to catch all these opportunities. But this is our mission because we like challenges. And it's also our mission to help our clients to catch these opportunities. And I believe the next biggest wave is the video promotion. Chinese consumers, they don't get information through newspapers or TV because we are all online. And another trend you should understand is with the development of e-commerce and logistics, Chinese consumers no longer spend time to go to the stores to purchase stuff. Instead, they spend time on decision making to purchase the stuff online. And also, in the past, they get information through text and graphics. But now is the time for video. And many brands here already realize this is the next biggest wave. So they started their own videos and promotion. But I also noticed that they have one problems in common, which means their videos, they don't talk to the customers. And it's usually overdone, too luxury or too expensive. That's why we have our own team with expertise team members here in-house to help the brands to develop videos that talk to their customers and it's not overdone.